Hi, this is Tom Reardon. Today we're going to look at the pi activity and answer the question, why is there pi? The Greek letter pi, sometimes written pi, is a mathematical constant whose value is the ratio of any circle's circumference, which we will use in a red C, to its diameter in a green D. And to notice that this is what the handheld would look like, I'm going to switch to a different screen just to show the keypad a little bit better. So that is, pi is equal to the circumference divided by the diameter. That's where we get pi from. Let's investigate. On the next page is a circle whose circumference C is in red, its diameter D is in green. The student will be asked to pull the red circle slowly to the right, press Control then decimal point, and observe the ratio of C to D. So you'll notice here's the circumference, 5.19, the diameter is 1.65. The ratio of those two numbers is calculated to this number here. And to put that into the table, I'll press Control, decimal point, and I'm going to grab that circle and make it a little bit bigger. And then I'll press Control, decimal point again, and you'll notice that the circumference and diameter changed, but the ratio of the two still stayed pretty much the same. So I'll do this a few more times. And you'll notice that, again, the circumference and diameter are changing, but the ratio of the two seems to be staying to be the same number. In fact, if I go over here, you can see that it's pretty much the same number all the time. It's clear from the previous investigation the ratio of the circumference C to the diameter D is always that same number, a constant. We call that number pi, and it's approximately 3.14159,265, and so on. And here's what you would see in a textbook sometimes. Since this number does not terminate or repeat a pattern, it's called an irrational number. And since many people approximate pi to be 3.14, we celebrate Pi Day on March 14th, which is 314. Also, one of the greatest mathematicians, Albert Einstein, was born on March 14th, and that makes Pi Day even more special. And here he is. And finally, one of my prized possessions, yes, my Pi Pan. And how will you celebrate Pi Day this year?